My name is Somi. Actually, before coming to this institute, I attended a PTE test a couple of times, but I was not able to get my desired score. But when I met with Roman sir, I had a kind of confidence that I would be able to get the desired score. Maybe because he used to give lots of strategies to ace the test, and also apart from that, he also gave me lots of ideas about the grammars and the vocabs, and the class was really interesting that made me more motivated to study in a smarter way. I used to also stay in the lab to practice whatever he taught me in the class. So in this way, I made a lot of improvement, and then now I'm able to get the desired score, and I'm really very happy and very much thankful to Roman sir and also Nissan sir, Akash sir as well. Many people say that we don't have to worry about the content, let's just focus on oral fluency and the pronunciation in the speaking. But when I came to Roman PTE, I knew that the key content is also really very important, because that impacts the listening score. So I knew about it. That's why I could improve more in my listening section. I was making a big mistake in the summarized spoken text previously, because I used to think it's just a matter of writing. So I used to write few sentences that used to give me a good score in writing, but I never realized the importance of the keywords. After coming to Roman PTE, I came to realize that putting the maximum keywords is really very important. So I was able to improve in that way. That helped me to get my desired score in the listening section. Keep going. Never lose the hope. Work hard, as well as use the tips and tricks given by the Roman PTE, and stay back in the lab after the class. You have to keep going. You will definitely get the desired score.